Did you know you can use Instagram Reels to promote your blog posts? Yes, you can, and you should use this brand new feature that Instagram just published. So let me tell you all about Instagram Reels and how you can use it to promote your blog posts. Here we go. Hi, I'm Nicole Riley, and I teach bloggers how to become confident bloggers and grow their business. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the bell to never miss a new video. So here you can see some of my reels that I have on my Instagram page that is my crochet page. So you can see the very latest one here on the left that has the two skeins that I'm using my hands for. That one seems to be doing the best right now, and it actually promotes one of my blog posts. So when I click on it, you can see how it changes things, and I promote one of my blog posts, which is a Santa hat. And I'm pretty much telling them that anyone in the world can crochet and can literally make a Santa hat no matter where you are in the world. And as you can see, Reels are pretty much like a TikTok. It just goes in circles. That means it plays over and over and over again. A reel is up to 15 seconds and it has music, which you can't hear right now. So you can create a reel very easily. You can do it outside of the app and then upload it and then add the music before or after, and then just add the content, which is the caption plus the hashtags. So let me show you how to do that. So here on the bottom, you can see right there, once you click stories, you can see on the bottom there reels. If you don't see this, you probably have to update your app. Now, this is an iPhone. It might look slightly different for an Android or another smartphone, but this is how it looks like for me on an iPhone. So once you click on Reels, this is what you get, right? So you can upload a video. So for example, here on the bottom left, right there, you can then upload a video. So I have here multiple different videos. Remember that it has to be maximum 15 seconds or it's gonna cut it to that. You can also cut videos to 15 seconds. You can record by clicking here and then stopping and then doing this. And then you can see on the top how it breaks it up, right? And then you can go back left and right
by clicking here and then doing this,
right? And then you can add your sound to it and your overlays at certain points of the reels. And then when you're done with all that, I'm not going to go into very much detail on how to make a reel because that's another tutorial. Because here I want to explain to you how you can use it to promote your blog post. So here's what you would do. You would now write your caption. Your caption should talk about what you just did. So make it short and sweet. The first thing you have, or the first thing you should write, is a question that is very enticing. It should be very, very enticing. So either a enticing title or a question that makes them want to say, hang on, what? So for example, for me, you can see I had a hat there, right? So I would write down, do you want to know how to crochet a Santa hat? For example, that's just something that popped up in my head, right? Or did you know that that anyone can learn how to crochet? So that's something I would write. And then you want to make sure that you use all 30 hashtags that you can use. Make sure that the hashtags are related to the content that you're posting about, okay? So there need to be a variety of hashtags, for big hashtags, small hashtags, and then directly related to the content. And then you want to make sure, which you can see right here in the middle there, it says also share to feed. Make sure that is turned on. If you don't, you will not get good reach. Really, turn that on. Leave that on, in fact. And then once you're done, you simply hit post. I'm going to do this right now, right? And then this is done. And then on the bottom, you can see share or save as draft, right? So either way, whatever you want to do, right? And then you can just share it. But you can also change the cover. You can upload it from your phone directly. You said on the bottom says there, right there, it says add from camera roll, or you can pick it directly from the video itself. So as you can see right here is then where all the hashtags are in the description, right? The captions. You also want to tag the companies that you are featuring, right? So hopefully that they can also share, they get a notification. And Reels are really, really hot right now. So they're being really pushed out by Instagram right now. So that is the perfect way to use them right now, because you can get a lot of reach and therefore a lot of followers, and therefore people checking out your profile, hopefully going to your website and then checking out your blog post, your content. So it's very important that your caption talks about your blog post. So if you want to feature or promote a blog post, make sure you also talk about it. So entice them with a question or really, really good title that makes them want to check it out. Now, of course, the reel itself should be enticing enough that they even check it out, right? But right now you have a really good chance that people will see it because Instagram is pushing it out. So you have a good chance that people actually get to see that, and then have a good chance that people will check out your profile and then click through to check out your blog post. Now, because Reels are so hot right now, and if you want to grow on Instagram, you want to make sure you use Reels as often as possible. I was told and recommended to post 1 to 3 times a day a reel. You can repurpose TikToks that you already have that are up to 15 seconds long. If you have a bunch of TikToks that already features your blog post, might as well reuse them, right? You can. Now, if you don't have the time to invest into making all these reels, then at least do it once a week so that you are out there and you get the reach and you get the followers and you have a good way to promote your blog post. Because reels are so hot right now and that they get the most reach. IGTVs used to be that way. They're not that way anymore. Right now, reels is the way to go. So Reels, unfortunately, doesn't have a lot of statistics. Instagram doesn't give us a lot of statistics, so we don't know how many follows we have gained from that. We don't know the exact reach we are gaining from it, but we do see how many views we're getting. We do see how many comments we're getting, and we do see how many likes we're getting. Now, if you see a big jump in followers and you do a lot of reels, it's likely from that as well. We just don't have the exact statistics as of right now. But reels are still a fantastic way to promote your blog post. So that is what you should do right now if you are a blogger. So use reels to promote your blog posts. Remember, you can gain confidence as a blogger, become a marketer, and grow your business. Please like, comment, and share this video. As well, subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the little bell to get notifications for upcoming videos, which are happening once a week. I hope to see you next time. Until then, bye.